Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the essentials because they are the fastest fixes. First, make sure airplane mode is off and cellular data is enabled. Also verify the correct carrier network is selected. Once done, power cycle the phone and remove, then reinsert the SIM while checking for dirt or damage. Next, log into your carrier account or call support to confirm there are no billing blocks or regional outages. These account issues often explain sudden service loss. Once basic checks are clear, move into deeper troubleshooting to isolate the fault. Reset network settings to clear corrupt profiles, then update carrier settings and the phone OS to ensure compatibility. Outdated firmware can break connections. If possible, test a different SIM in your phone or your SIM in another device to determine whether the problem is the handset or the network. Also inspect APN, VoLTE, and roaming settings. Restore defaults if the issue persists. Prepare for a last resort factory reset, but back up everything first. You don't want to lose contacts and photos. Before wiping, gather diagnostic details like IMEI, recent error messages, and a description of signal behavior to give to carrier tech support. This speeds repair. As interim measures, enable Wi-Fi calling or use a mobile hotspot and consider a local prepaid SIM. Troubleshooting tip: if service fails in one location only, test elsewhere to check for a local tower outage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.